Next, I have a great pair from 2024. These are the ASICS and Hidden Gel Venture Shield 6. I think this is Hidden's second collaboration with ASICS. I may be wrong, and this is the only pair I had from the collaboration. I saw these online on Instagram, and I just had to have them. And surprisingly, these are still in stock at some boutiques and some sites. Couldn't really believe it because the first pair sold out super quick. And yes, these are still in stock, but I think these are in stock solely because a lot of pairs were made and not just because nobody wants them. Because honestly, this is a great looking shoe, a great looking collaboration, like it's well made. So these are pretty much on shelves solely because in my opinion, there just must be a lot of pairs. What I really like is that Hidden logo right here on the tongue on the left shoe, and we have Hidden on the back on both pairs. Really like that. We have a Hidden and a Y logo right here again on the heel. Big fan of that as well. And what I really love is the insole as well. I can just keep going over things that I love, but yeah, the insole is great. We have a New York City street map, and if I'm not mistaken, we have longitude and latitude on the sneaker, inside the sneaker, and on the box. And I'm pretty sure this is the location of Hidden in New York. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what this leads to. Right now, as you can see, we have just some simple white rope laces, but we did get a really good addition. We have like these plastic clear laces that come with the shoe with like a nice painted aglet. I'm definitely gonna throw these in here over the white laces when I do, take my pictures and put them on feet. Love these laces. The collaboration is nothing too crazy. It's just a real simple shoe with the jade and the green. I'll give y'all a quick little look at these. And I know I'm rushing through, the shoes, but I will have a full review coming very, very soon.